the Chateu Apartments in Burlington, New Jersey. There it is up there. Fire in Burlington, New Jersey. This building was just hit by lightning, and the fire department is here, getting all the fire done. So we're on. Lightning hit like about 20 minutes ago, and everybody is here. Fire truck, the police, the ambulance, everybody is here doing the triage, you know. I don't know if anybody got injured or anything during the lightning, so we're just waiting to get some updates, and I'll let you know of the updates later. So let's see, we have everybody there. Ladder, they got that up there. Firefighters all here making sure that we are okay, and we're gonna see, we're gonna find out if everybody is okay.